Hey family, one of my friends came to visit me. When bees come and they fly on you, okay, represents the honey. It represents the sweetness of life, okay? It just came and landed on my left foot, which means that the left foot is dealing with the magnetic side, the spiritual side, the feminine side, okay? This is who we are. And like I keep saying, nature will speak to you if you have the patience. It will take you at the right place, at the right time, engaging in right activity. You just have to be open to hear what it's saying. Okay? So this just hanging out with my friend here, Mr. B. Okay? I can actually feel the vibration in my foot. I don't know what he's doing, but I can feel the vibration all through my foot and my legs. Okay? So this is probably some type of upgrade, okay, coming from their kingdom. The vibration, they said when Osset came to Kemet, she brought a swarm of bees to pollinate this experience, okay, with the vibration, the frequency of life, connecting to the hexagram, which is a 6-pointed, if you will look at geometry, 6-pointed circle, if you will put it in that form. Also, it represents the melanin molecule that is the darkness that brings all things into existence in this dimension. Okay? So, listening to nature, in nature, nature, okay, will always speak to you. All right? So I just want to share this with you, with Mr. B or Mrs. B, Mr. Okay? Understand it represents the sweetness of life, the honey, the abundance, the vibration, the frequency, the universe, sacred geometry, the flower of life. So many meanings. All right? All right, family. Love y'all. Love and light. Peace. He or she is back. Okay? I don't know if this is another one or if this is the same one, but it just keep coming back. So as you know, like I said, nature will be attracted to you based on your vibration. And each insect represents symbolically something that you need to research. Anytime something happens, nature will present something to you in the animal, plant kingdom, whatever it is, to convey a message to you on a high vibrational frequency that you must learn and discover. All right, love y'all. Peace.